Welcome to Get to Know Power BI. So today in this session I'm going to demonstrate on how to create a conditional column with multiple variables. So on the visual, this bar graph visual, which is titled custom account by service type, there are service types which are being offered by this online payment platform. So they are in abbreviation. So I'll use this case to demonstrate on how to create that conditional column with multiple variables using the transform data Power Query editor. So I'll go to the transform data. So in demonstrating on how to create a conditional column with multiple variables, I'll use the service type column. Let me highlight it like this. So I want to create a separate column with the complete names for all these abbreviations for the services that are being offered by this online payment platform company. So CI stands for cash in. So within the new column that I'll be creating with multiple variables, I'll be using CI, and CI will be standing for cash in, then CO will be standing for cash out. So what you have to do in order for you to create that column, you go on add column, then on add column you go on custom column. So this is the current interface which will come out. So on this custom column, what you have to do, there is new column name. New column name, it will be service type name like this. So what you have to do is say if, then square brackets, then if you put up the square bracket, it will produce all the columns that are within your data source. So the target column which I'm using for me to create the column with multiple variables is service type. You just say service type and say equals to double quotes. The first variable is CI, which is standing for cash in. Then in small caps, double quotes again, it will be cash in like this. Else, so that you can do the second variable, else if square brackets, the target column which is service type is equals to double quotes. The second variable is CO like this, we stand for cash out, then in small caps, then double quotes, which is cash out like this. Then what I'm going to do, I'll use the formula which I had prepared before. So what you have to do when you are done with all the variables in this target column, or this IPS, then or LP AT, you just say else double quotes NA, which means not applicable. So for the sake of saving time, I'm just demonstrating use these few variables, these two variables CI and CO. So when you are done, you just press OK like this. They need to generate a new column with the name, service type name, then all these variables will be having a complete name like cash in and cash out. So as I've said before, I will have to take the formula that I've already prepared, so that I will have to save time. So I will have to clear this, I will have to remove this, then I'll go on my formulas, the formula that I've created before. I'll copy this formula which I created before, then I will just put it here like this. Then this is how it will be like when you are done with all these variables. Then you just press OK like this. So right now I have created the column with complete names for all these variables. When you are done, you go on home, then close and apply like this. So this is the final bar graph with the complete names for all the service types that are being offered by this online payment platform. So now it is now easier for users of the report to quickly understand what is being tracked by this bar graph. Like for example, AT is standing for airtime, then CO is standing for cash out, then CI is standing for cash in. Okay, thank you so much. I hope you have learned something on how to create a column with multiple variables, and you continue to explore more on Power BI. Have a safe, good day.